And today we want to show you this Nerf blaster. That's right, this is a foam blaster. Great little Nerf style toy. It's great for summertime fun. It's great for pool parties. Don't put it in the water though. It's great for family picnics, sleepovers. You can shoot it indoors, you can shoot it outdoors. It's going to be just fine. It has a little safety darts. So let's go ahead and open it up. We're going to take a closer look at it, and then we're going to show you how it works. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, so Carter's going to open the box for us. Let's open it up and check it out. We got a pink one. Yeah! Girls rule.
Boys rule.
All right, let's see. We'll just dump it all out right here. Whoa, look at all this stuff that you get. You get look at this, that's a sight. You get sticky darts. These actually stick to flat surfaces. And then the black ones are just regular like Nerf style darts. What else we get in here? All right, so you get a bunch of darts. You get a couple of different sights. You get a set of manual sights. These are optics. These are what they would call an open sight. You actually get a third sight right here. This is like a laser sight, right?
That's just a laser, or like a flashlight thing.
And then you have a couple of these magazines for your different ammunition. And let's see the blaster itself. Check this thing out. And this was a pretty cool feature. It actually has a folding stock. Too cool. All right, let's get this thing set up. All right, so Carter, our blaster expert, is going to give us a quick walkthrough.
The scope is really cool because it has a green dot on it, and by turning this knob, you can zoom in and zoom out to either zoom in on your target, or you can zoom out for a close range target. And then it has a laser which you can access or put on wherever you'd like. It's very visible even in the day. Then have a flashlight. It'll be better at night, but
what else do we have?
you have 2 magazines with sticky darts and normal darts, which insert in the bottom at this hole.
These are your open sights.
Here you have the blaster, fully assembled. To remove the magazine, you just push this down, and it falls out, just like this.
Very cool. So I think the only thing left to do is to try this thing out, right?
Uh-huh.
And Lizzie's gonna be our tester.
Wait. Huh?
You get to test it.
Oh, yeah.
You're the tester, he's the target. Y'all ready?
Yes.
All right, come on. What do you think, Lizzie Joe?
Hey, look at it. You look at Stormtrooper.
Whoa, good shot. Do it again. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, are you out?
Now do what you do. You lie. Go ahead, get loose. Get down to business. Tell everyone nothing's off limits. You can have anything you want. Anything you want. Tell everyone you can have anything.
Okay, so as you can see, it's a super fun little Nerf rifle. It's going to be great for those battles in the yard, great for those picnics. It's going to be the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. And what do you guys think overall?
It's actually pretty cool. It's a really cool blaster.
It's cool enough that Carter likes it, even pink. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.